Creating a game is hard, but you know what's harder? Doing it in 1 week. Is that even possible? Let's find out. The world of game development is competitive, and 48 games getting released every single day on Steam alone. So how do you stand out from the rest? Is it quality? Is it story? Or is it speed?
Please, speed, I need this!
Is create stuff for the game as fast as possible, while still making a fun game experience. Day 1. The first thing we need to do is decide which engine to use when creating our game. Do we want to be the AAA studio that uses Blueprint and Unreal Engine? Or do you want to be a good person and use open software like Godot? Sadly, we're not rich like AAA, and we're also not nice like Godot users. Therefore, we will be evil and use Unity instead. Now that we have chosen our engine, let's figure out what genre our game is supposed to be. We can do this by using a sophisticated technique. And there we have it. We will make a roguelike shooter in 3D. Okay, so we start by creating our project. Very cool. We add a plane. And yeah, let's just add some walls as well. I don't really care. Cool, that looks good. We're done here. Just kidding. Let's add some basic movement as well. And maybe some... Actually, I'm sick. Let's just continue tomorrow. Okay, on day 2, I dealt with the big boy stuff. Just kidding, I'm still sick. However, I did expand the arena with some obstacles. I also added so you can shoot. Okay, don't be angry at me. I know you felt you've been scammed for the past 2 days. But on day 3, I seriously locked in, okay? Trust me on this. I improved the movement system, like a lot. I made it so you can crouch. I made it so you can slide. And it all feels really good. Like genuinely, it's super fun to play with, and I'm really proud of what I've done on day 3. I used a lot of knowledge that I didn't have before. Knowledge. About how springs works, and how to use them for the camera effects. Overall, I'm really proud of this code, and I can't wait for day 4. Day 4, wow, we are more than halfway through the week. Will we even finish making the game? Well, I guess we'll find out. For day 4, I mainly did some polishing. I fixed a very small bug with the lerping of the capsule. Honestly, barely noticeable. Anyways, after that I added a temporary graphic for the gun. I also added so the enemies can take damage. I also made it so the damage gets shown in a text, which is slightly animated. I know, very fancy. Welcome to day 5. Honestly. You know when I said I was locked in? Well, that's no longer true. I'm locked out. Like, I literally don't have the keys anymore. But I will try my best regardless. For the day, I fixed a bug where you couldn't shoot. Well, you couldn't shoot in Y direction. And you probably don't want to know why and how that happened or how I fixed it. But I don't care. When getting the movement, we made it so the player can't rotate with the Y. The reason for that is because we want the player to just stand still and not rotate with the camera. Because if we do that, when you see them in a reflection, it will look very stupid. So we decided to remove that. Problem though is when you shoot, you take the Y axis from the layer. But because we don't have any rotation at the Y axis, we need to look at the camera instead. So what I did is simply put it on the camera. Yes, that's all I did. I just put it on the camera. Anyways, after that I changed the shooting to recast instead because let's be honest, using initiated objects with colliders is stupid, and I should feel bad for using that. Anyways, that's all for day 5. Okay, day 6. Today I upgraded a lot in the scene. I added a new gun object that looks more sci-fi. Then I reused the material from that gun to put it on all the objects in the scene, so it looks amazing. Thank you, I know. Anyways, I also made it so you can change the weapons, which each weapons having different shoot delays. I also added an enemy that walks towards the players. Honestly, there would be a day 7 as well, but I need to edit this video, and I just don't have time. Anyways, the progress in a week has been a lot, in my opinion at least, and we will continue the project. We will keep trying to do shorts every day with updates, even though they are very small, while also having a weekly video, which is this one, with a bit more in-depth information and showcase a wider view of the progress. And also, if you like the project, please join our Discord server. We're active there and we post more in detail about the progress and our problems along the way. We would also love to see you guys' input or if you guys have any ideas for the game. Anyways, see you guys. Please like the video and subscribe if you feel like it. Oh, I almost forgot, our previous game Glorious Golf is releasing next week, so please make sure to wishlist it. Anyways, goodbye, see you guys.